All right, here we go. Round 3. There's 3 people who didn't respond within more than 24 hours. This time we're giving away the ERA 4 bundle, and that goes to Biker by Heart. Nice job, man. Biker by Heart. Let's remove him. Next, we have this lovely ERA 4 Pro bundle, which is a lot of stuff. Let's see who's going to win this. We're down to 2,521. Eric Dye. Hey, Eric. Well done, man. You're going to get that full Pro bundle. It's loaded. Now, the last and very coveted Rode NTG microphone that nobody seems to want to claim goes to Dave A. I think I know Dave A. If I know him, he is not going to wait and not respond to get that. Now, from the receipt of my email, you got 24 hours and you must respond or reply within then. Or, well, I don't know what we're going to do. Another drawing, or maybe I'll just pick someone and give it to them. Anyway, don't forget to respond. Thanks for watching. See you later. Respond to the email, respond to the email, respond to the email, so I don't have to do another one of these.